kitties. So I'm doing a really quick impromptu kind of video, feeling this idea. I don't remember where I saw it on Instagram. I gotta go back and see exactly who I saw this design from. So I am doing a lava lamp nail. Yes. So I'm gonna be using my clear stiletto tip. I just have it hooked onto this. I didn't buy it like that. I just made my own. Anyway, this is my clear jelly like gel polish. I don't remember where. I think I got it from AliExpress. I could be wrong. I honestly can't remember where I got it from. But that's the name of it. And I'm going to be using this. It's like this amber. It comes off really amber looking. Yeah, you guys are about to see. So, here we go. I'm putting a very light coat of this. I don't know if I will gonna put 2 coats or not yet. We'll see. But like I said, it's supposed to be orange, but it's very like amber. Ooh, this would be really cute if, oh, see, I got some stuck on the inside. This would be really cute if I was doing like a honeycomb kind of nail. Ooh, I might do that next. So I'm gonna cure this for 30 seconds. Okay, so I lied. I cured it for 60 seconds. And I think I might go back in with another coat, but very sparingly. Nothing like, not too thick, like I said. Yeah. I think when you do 2 coats, you really get that, that more amber honeycomb kind of look. Which I think I might try to do like a honeycomb design. That might be the next one. Hey. So you see how sparingly I'm putting this? Like I'm not really oversaturating it right now. Just clean up the sides. And back into the lamp. Okay, so this is how it looks after I did that second coat and cured it again for 60 seconds. So now, now I'm gonna take my D&D Dutch Orange Gel. Going to use just a little bit, like my plate. I got it from, oh my gosh, Dollar Tree. For $1, of course. So, just a little bit of this. I don't need much, I don't think so. And I'm gonna use my little dotting tool. This is one of my smaller ones. I think I got these from my nail school, matter of fact. But I think you can find it online if you want to. So all I'm doing is taking some of that on my dotting tool, and I'm going to be making like the little, you know what I mean, all that stuff you see inside the lava lamp. Just make this one a little bit drippier. Yep. And right, nothing crazy. And that's it. I'll wipe this off, and I'm going to cure this for 60 seconds. So that's been cured. I'm going in with another coat of the jelly right over that. Beautiful. Just really get in there. That's good. And cure that for 60 seconds. Now we're gonna go in with this metallic full beauty drawing gel polish. That was my kid. Not wanting to be heard on camera, but still was being heard on camera. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my little brush here, my other brush, I don't even need to dip inside because there's so much in the cover. Because I opened this and I kind of like turned it upside down. Anyway, so for here, this is just going to be the top of the lava lamp. That's all I'm doing. I'm making a line right across. We know how those lava lamps look, right guys? Or am I just that old? I don't know. Right, and then I'm just gonna make the other end of the lava lamp. Make sure I get everywhere. Oops. That's what I did. Like bring it down more to match side to side. Yep, there we go. See? Pretty good. I don't want that part too thick. But there we are. Oh, I'm seeing some missing pieces here. Let's not. All right, we're gonna cure this. 60 seconds. Okay guys, I'm just gonna take some alcohol. This is my lint-free wipe. It's just my Viva paper towel that I kind of just, you know, cut to squares. Got all of that off. Then we're gonna top coat this bad boy, and I'm going to use. So my Kara Sky is finished, and I just added my IBD gel top coat. I bought a big container of IBD gel top coat because I really like it, and I just put the label on it because that's what you're supposed to do. You're supposed to label everything you have. Now, let's top coat this. Really nice. Look at that. I'm gonna top coat and I'm gonna cure for, you guessed it, 60 seconds. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. Lava lamp nail. I think it came out really cool, guys. Yeah guys, anyway, bye. We made it to 300. Random giveaway coming up soon. Bye kitties.